In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to editing, don't worry, because this is one of the simplest and most useful things you can learn inside DaVinci Resolve. Cutting a clip lets you split your video into separate sections, which is helpful when you want to remove part of a clip, rearrange footage, or make more precise edits in your timeline. To get started, go to your video clip in the timeline. Make sure you can clearly see the clip you want to work with, because this is where the cut will be made. It helps to zoom in a little if you want more accuracy, especially if you're trying to cut at a very specific moment in the footage. Next, look up to the toolbar and find the blade tool. This is the tool used to split a clip into separate parts. Once you see it, click on the blade tool to activate it. After selecting it, your cursor will change, which lets you know you're now in cutting mode. From here, move your cursor over the video clip and click exactly where you want to make the cut. Choose the point carefully, because wherever you click is where DaVinci Resolve will split the clip. This is useful if you already know the exact moment you want to separate, such as before a mistake, after a pause, or between two different actions in the same recording. As soon as you click, the clip will be cut into two parts. That means you now have two separate pieces of the same video clip, and you can work with each section individually. For example, you can select one side and delete it, move it, or make other edits without affecting the other part. And that's it. That's how you cut a video in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very quick edit, but it's also one of the most important basics to learn, because you'll use it constantly in almost every project. A helpful tip is to make sure you click in the exact spot you want before making the cut, since accuracy can save you time later. If needed, you can always zoom in more closely on the timeline to get a cleaner result. Once you're done cutting, you can continue editing the two new sections however you like. With just this one simple tool, you'll have much more control over your video editing process in DaVinci Resolve.